Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start with the document open and ready. First, press Ctrl+P or pick File Print to open the print dialog. This immediately loads the preview pane in many apps. Once done, make sure you select the correct printer from the drop-down and set basic options like pages, copies, and orientation so the preview reflects real output. You're doing this now to avoid reprints. Adjusting these core settings first prevents wasted paper and shows an accurate print preview. Now you refine how each page will look. Change paper size, scaling, and margins in the dialog so content isn't cut off. This explains why text shifts between portrait and landscape. Then check duplex, color mode, and print quality so the preview matches final output. Use the zoom control and the page navigation arrows to scan headers, footers, and images on every page. Once you've reviewed each page, you'll know whether to proceed or adjust settings again for a perfect print. Finish by confirming the preview and tapping print, but don't rush. Print a single test page if you're unsure. If the preview is blank or looks wrong, make sure the app supports Windows 10 Print Preview. Then try updating or reinstalling the printer driver, or restart the app and reopen the print dialog. If problems persist, switch to Microsoft Print to PDF to capture the layout, which helps isolate app versus driver issues. This quick test prevents large misprints and saves time and supplies.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.